Hello, and welcome to our video series dedicated to maximizing your WIC food benefits. Today, we're focusing on juice options available to you and your family. WIC provides 100% juice products loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, including immune-boosting vitamin C. Let's dive right on in. Imagine this is your family balance summary. In the row labeled frozen juice, you have 2 cans issued and ready for buy. In the row labeled bottled juice 64 ounce, you also have 2 bottles issued and available for purchase. You can keep track of your food balance through the WIC app, where this information updates with each grocery purchase made using your WIC card. You can buy 11.5 to 12-ounce frozen concentrate cans and 64-ounce shelf-stable bottles or cartons, as long as they are 100% juice without added sugars or sweeteners. Looking back at the previous example, you could buy 2 12-ounce cans of frozen juice and 2 64-ounce bottles of juice. Refer to the food list in the WIC app or on the website at azwicfoodlist.com for approved brands of 100% juice. Another convenient option is juice packs, which come in a variety of 100% juice flavors and smaller-sized packages. Remember, juice might not be included in every food benefit package. Check the family balance summary provided by your WIC clinic or the WIC app for your specific food balance. We hope this information improves your overall grocery shopping experience. Should you have questions while shopping, feel free to contact the Arizona WIC Shoppers Helpline at 1-866-927-8390 or AZ WIC Shoppers Helpline at azdhs.gov. Contact your local WIC clinic for questions about the food list or how to utilize your WIC benefits.